The future is now AI, BIM and drones redefining construction. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of civil engineering, and trust me, things are about to get epic. We're talking robots, drones, lasers, oh my. Okay, maybe not robots, but we are going to explore three game-changing technologies that are transforming the construction industry as we know it. We're talking artificial intelligence, building information modeling, and drones. These aren't just buzzwords, people. They're the real deal, and they're changing the game in a big way. We're talking about making construction smarter, faster, and way more efficient. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a wild ride through the future of building, and let me tell you, it's looking pretty awesome. Artificial intelligence, the brains behind smarter construction. All right, let's kick things off with the big one, artificial intelligence, or AI for those in the know. Now, you might be thinking, AI? In construction? Isn't that like robots laying bricks? Well, not exactly. While we're not quite at the robot construction worker stage yet, though, let's be honest, that would be pretty cool, AI is already making a huge impact in how we design and build structures. Think of AI as the super smart assistant that civil engineers never had but always dreamed of. One of the coolest things AI brings to the table is predictive analytics. Picture this. You're building a massive skyscraper, and with AI you can actually predict potential risks before they even happen. We're talking about things like material fatigue, structural weaknesses, you name it. AI algorithms can crunch massive amounts of data, historical project data, weather patterns, you name it, to identify potential red flags way ahead of time. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of vague predictions, you get data-driven insights to make informed decisions. But wait, there's more. AI is also revolutionizing structural design optimization. Remember the days of engineers hunched over blueprints, doing complex calculations by hand? Yeah, those days are becoming a thing of the past. With AI-powered design tools, engineers can now input design parameters, and boom, the AI algorithms will churn out thousands of design options, optimizing for strength, cost, and sustainability. It's like having a team of super-powered engineers working for you 24/7. And if that wasn't enough, machine learning, which is a subset of AI, is helping engineers make sense of the mountains of data generated during construction projects. We're talking sensors, drones, you name it. All these tools are generating a treasure trove of data. Machine learning algorithms can sift through this data, identify patterns, and provide actionable insights to optimize everything from material usage to construction schedules. Less waste, faster completion times, it's a win-win. But perhaps one of the most exciting applications of AI in construction is in the field of structural health monitoring. Imagine this. You've got sensors embedded throughout a bridge or a building, constantly monitoring its health. These sensors are collecting data on things like vibrations, temperature changes, and even microscopic cracks. Now, this data is being fed to an AI system that can analyze it in real time. The AI can then detect anomalies, predict potential failures, and alert engineers before they become serious problems. Talk about preventing a disaster before it even happens. This is next-level stuff, people. AI in civil engineering isn't about replacing human engineers, it's about giving them superpowers. It's about making them smarter, more efficient, and ultimately better at what they do. And that, my friends, is something to get excited about. Building, information modeling, constructing the future, brick by digital brick. All right, now that we've had our minds blown by AI, let's move on to another game changer, building information modeling, or BIM for short. Now, BIM isn't exactly new on the scene, but trust me, it's come a long way from its early days. We're not just talking about fancy three-dimensional models here, folks. BIM is like having a digital twin of your entire construction project, and I mean everything from the foundation to the last light fixture. Imagine a virtual world where you can walk through a building before a single brick is laid. With BIM, architects, engineers, and contractors can all collaborate in real time, visualizing the project from every angle and ironing out any kinks before they become real-world problems. It's like having everyone on the same page, literally. But BIM is more than just a pretty face. One of the coolest things about it is its ability to simulate construction sequences in 4 dimensions. That's right, 4D. We're talking about visualizing the entire construction process over time. Imagine being able to see how different construction activities will impact each other, identify potential bottlenecks, and optimize the schedule for maximum efficiency. It's like having a time-lapse video of your construction project before it even starts. And if that wasn't enough, BIM also brings cost management into the mix with 5D modeling. That's right, 5D. With 5D BIM, you can link every element of your model to cost data, allowing you to track expenses in real time and avoid any budget blowouts. Imagine being able to see the cost implications of every design decision, every material choice, even before you break ground. It's like having a financial crystal ball for your construction project. Now, let me give you a real-world example of BIM in action, because seeing is believing, right? Take London's Crossrail project, one of the largest infrastructure projects in Europe. They used BIM to create a massive interconnected three-dimensional model of the entire project. We're talking 100 kilometers of tunnels, 10 new stations, the works. This model wasn't just for show, folks. It allowed engineers and contractors from all over the world to collaborate seamlessly, coordinating their work and avoiding costly clashes. The result? Improved communication, reduced errors, and a project delivered on time and within budget. That's the power of BIM, people. It's about working smarter, not harder, and it's transforming the way we design and build the world around us. But BIM isn't just for mega projects like Crossrail. It's becoming increasingly accessible to projects of all sizes. And trust me, it's only going to get more powerful and sophisticated in the years to come. Chapter 3. Drones take flight, surveying the future of construction from above. All right, let's be honest, who doesn't love drones? They're like the coolest gadgets ever, but in the world of construction, they're more than just toys. Drones are revolutionizing the way we survey, inspect, and monitor construction sites, and things are about to get really interesting. Imagine this. Instead of sending out surveyors to spend days, even weeks, walking around a massive construction site with their trusty old theodolites, you can now deploy a drone to do the job in a fraction of the time. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and LiDAR sensors can create incredibly detailed 3D maps of the terrain, capturing everything from elevation changes to existing structures. We're talking about centimeter-level accuracy, people. And it's not just about speed, it's about safety too. Drones can access hard-to-reach or dangerous areas like steep slopes or disaster zones without putting human workers at risk. They're like the fearless explorers of the construction world. But wait, there's more. Drones aren't just limited to surveying. They're also becoming invaluable tools for inspecting bridges, towers, wind turbines, you name it. Remember those AI-powered structural health monitoring systems we talked about earlier? Well, drones can be equipped with thermal cameras and other sensors to inspect structures for damage or defects that might not be visible to the naked eye. Talk about a bird's eye view, literally. And here's the really cool part. Drones can collect all this data in real time, beaming it back to engineers on the ground so they can make informed decisions on the fly. It's like having a live feed from the sky, giving you an unprecedented level of insight into your construction project. Now let me give you a real-world example of drones in action because, as they say, the proof is in the pudding. A few years back, a team was tasked with building a new highway through a remote, heavily forested area. Now, traditionally, surveying this kind of terrain would have been a logistical nightmare, slow, expensive, and potentially dangerous. But this time they decided to do things differently. They brought in the drones, equipped with LiDAR sensors. The drones were able to map out the entire route of the highway in a matter of days, creating a highly accurate 3D model of the terrain. We're talking about a process that would have taken weeks or even months using traditional methods. But here's the kicker. The data collected by the drones was so precise that it allowed the engineers to optimize the route of the highway, minimizing its environmental impact and saving millions of dollars in construction costs. That's what I call a win-win. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, people. As drone technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the years to come. Autonomous drones, swarm technology, the future of construction is looking pretty high-tech. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the future of construction, where AI is making things smarter, BIM is connecting everything digitally, And drones are giving us a whole new perspective from above. The civil engineering industry is on the cusp of a technological revolution, and it's an exciting time to be a part of it. As these technologies continue to evolve and converge, yet who knows what incredible innovations await us down the road. But here's the thing, it's not just about the technology itself, it's about what we do with it. It's about using these tools to build a better, more sustainable and more resilient world for generations to come. And that's a mission we can all get behind. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights into the world of engineering and technology. See you next time.